just passed through the X-ray. Nakalusot po tayo, so akala namin may something, pero wala naman talaga, guys. Ito si Monchi kung saan lupalo.
Anong ginawa ng battery niya na?
Nakakita sila ng big battery. Yung tinapon na nila. And then yung akin naman, guys, napagkamalan nilang kung ano mang bagay yung water flosser ko. So, gate 54 tayo. Say hi, hello.
Yung water flosser mo, walang kinuha sa'yo, no?
Wala. Say hi, hello.
Hello, kamusta po?
Chi, what did you brought? What can you say about the X-ray? Intense.
Sucks.
That was intense, guys. Okay. See you later. Bye. So, ayan guys. Nako-order na tayo ng food dito sa Wheels Up Burgers Barbecue. Wheels Up Barbecue. And then, yung front po nila is kakilala niya po si Tita Tess Lumanog. Sabi po niya is best friend siya nung nanay niya.
I'll tell you it's iPhone.
Huh?
Earpod.
It's here.
Sige mo na.
Okay guys. See you later.
Tita Tess! Small word na kilala ko.
Saka si mami mo.
Ay, shout out mami.
Hello
Waiting
kuya.
ako.
Okay, thank you. Bye. So guys, we're settled now at 54. Ano na to din? Gate 54 here at Edmonton Airport, guys. Ayan, kumakain na si Chichi, kumakain na si My Love, kumakain na si Cyrus. Ayan. So guys, ang boarding namin dito sa gate na to is 9:05. Pero ang flight namin is 9:45, guys. Okay, see you later. Update na lang po mamaya. Thank you. Hello guys. We're boarded already. Chick.
Sarap pa daw.
See you later.
En utilisant vos renseignements de membre. Si vous n'êtes pas membre récompense WestJet, vous pouvez scanner le code QR sur la carte située dans la pochette devant vous. Vous pourrez commencer à profiter de WestJet Wi-Fi dès que vous aurez adhéré.
Around 10:15 p.m. See you later.